Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today au menu salada nisarda, as we say in Occitan, in the lovely city of Nice. Traditionally made of tomatoes, hard-boiled eggs, tuna or anchovies and Nicoise olives. There's a loads of versions out there, but today I'm going to show you mine. Actually, I'm going to show you two. I'm going to show you a quick one for lunch on a nice summer day, and I'm going to show you a dinner party version. So what we need for our salad niçoise, I've got canned tuna, and I've got yellowfin tuna steak for my posh version. I've got some baby gems, I've got some basil, I've got some tomato on the vine, I've got some free range eggs, I've got some Mediterranean black olives pitted, I've got some anchovies, I also have some capers. My version includes French green beans, cucumber, red onion, red pepper, and for the dressing, extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, a little Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Let's do the first version. So as you can see, I've got all my ingredients ready to assemble this beautiful salad niçoise. First of all, I washed my gem lettuce, I sliced thinly my red onion, I blanched my green beans for about 5 minutes, I thinly sliced my red pepper, hard-boiled egg, and I thinly sliced my tomato and my cucumber. And now let's assemble this one. Also salt on the cucumber and tomato. Very easy to assemble. You just use your imagination and creativity for this one. And last, my red onion, like so. Next, I'm gonna put the tuna in the middle. Little olives everywhere. Little capers everywhere as well. Little anchovy fillets. There you go. Now we need a dressing to go with this. Nice spoon of Dijon mustard, some salt, some black pepper, vinaigrette. 1 part of vinegar. I'm using red wine vinegar today. 1 part of vinegar for 3 parts of oil, and today I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Just give it a stir. And you just add the oil. 1, 2, and 3. And you just add it to the salad, like so. Here we are, my first version of salad niçoise. Nice and easy and quick to make, and beautiful for lunch. So for my posh version of a salad niçoise, got this griddle on high heat. I'm gonna chargrill my baby gem. I blanch my French beans for 5 minutes, and I deseeded my red pepper. We're gonna take the skin off by chargrill it on the griddle. A little olive oil, bit more oil on there. That's it. That shouldn't take long. What I'm gonna do with the red pepper is make a little concassé. That's all it takes. That's it. We reserve this for the plating in a minute. Right, after a few more minutes for the peppers, the skin should come off. If you haven't got a griddle, you can put them in the oven and the skin will come out. That's it. There you go. Skin's off. Lastly, we need to sear our tuna loin. Now if you haven't got a griddle, you can do that on a pan, that's no problem. So I'm gonna wait for this one to get very very hot. A little salt and pepper, oil on both sides. While the tuna is gonna cook, I'm gonna assemble the plate. Now my plate is ready to receive the tuna. Hot pan, pans, here goes our tuna. Okay, so after 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes on each side, our tuna loin is ready. It's gonna come and sit nicely in the middle. We're gonna finish it with a basil vinaigrette. So this one just went into the food processor, and basic vinaigrette, just add some basil and that's what it gives you. Now we're gonna finish this off with a little drizzle of olive oil. Here we go. There you have it, a salad niçoise two-way. Now to pair this beautiful salads, all I need is a nice Côte de Provence from my friend here. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will be ace, and see you soon on Stef le Chef. Bon appétit. Oh, I like rosé. Which one shall I have? I'll have both maybe.